Hey there guys, Lucio6 here, and today this is another vintage fan that I recently got. Well, not today, I meant like 2 days ago. This is a Lasko premium box fan from 1999. I found this in the trash pile, and by the looks of it, it's all intact except for the handle. It came out of a Aerospeed box fan that has been screwed down to the frame so it'll actually stay, and it works. But if I ever do get replacement parts, like if I ever do get replacement handles and replacement handle and a knob for this, I can take that out. And look at the back. You notice a price tag right. You'll notice like a little price right here. $4 as is. So it looks like somebody bought this at a thrift shop a while back. And as you can see right here, this accommodates a Marco motor. So I tested out everything and it works just fine. Probably just threw it out because it was getting pretty nasty or something, but yeah. Has a nice startup sound to it. So that's low. Here's medium. And here's high. There it is. It works perfectly fine. It just needs to get cleaned. So it was really unnecessary for someone to throw this out when they could have just cleaned it, but it is how it is. So yeah. Well, stay tuned for a post cleaning video on this, and I'll see you there. Peace, guys.